Push-ups for beginners. Do your first push-up, then 100 more. The push-up is one of the most important exercises that a newcomer to fitness can do, but it can be difficult for many people. I know some of you can't do a single push-up, and the idea of being able to do 100 seems as remote as being able to fly to Mars, but I will give you a 5-phase program to build up your strength. Man or woman, 13 or 60, you can build up your strength and stamina, so that you can do 100 push-ups. If you can already do 10 push-ups and want to do 100, skip to phase 3. How long will it take for you to be able to do 100 push-ups? It depends on many factors including your age, weight, nutrition, sleep, and genetics. Count on 3 to 12 months to get to the point where you can do 100 push-ups. Phase 1. Counter push-ups. The edge of a kitchen counter is a perfect place to do count push-ups. Make sure you are wearing footwear that will not slip on the kitchen floor. Put your hands about shoulder width apart. Put your shoulder down and back like you were trying to hold a tennis ball between your shoulder blades. Do as many counter push-ups as you can, in other words, do a set, then rest 2 minutes, and do another set of as many as you can do. Repeat this till you have done 5 sets. Do this workout 3 times a week until you can do 20 push-ups in each of the 5 sets, then advance to phase 2. Phase 2, knee push-ups. Do as many knee push-ups as you can, then rest 2 minutes and do another set. Repeat this until you have done 5 sets. Do this workout 3x/week until you can do 20 push-ups in each of the 5 sets, then advance to phase 3.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Phase 3, drop push-ups. In this phase you are going to do 5 sets of 20 push-ups. You will do as many real push-ups as you can, then drop to your knees to finish the rest of the 20 reps with knee push-ups. Rest 2 minutes and do another set. You will do this workout just 2 times a week. Repeat till you have done all 5 sets. When you can do all 5 sets of 20 real push-ups without having to resort to the knee push-ups, then advance to phase 4. Phase 4, high weight and high rep. Fill a backpack with weight equal to about 20% of your body weight. Do as many push-ups as you can. Without any rest, take off the backpack and do as many push-ups as you can without the backpack. Rest 3 minutes and repeat for a total of 5 sets. Phase 5, your first attempt at 100 push-ups. You will know when you are ready for your first attempt at 100 push-ups. When you think you are there, I suggest you rest a complete week before attempting it. Make sure you have hydrated yourself fully the 6 hours before your attempt. Please read about bodybuilding and hydration if you want to know why. It's also a good idea to have a strong cup of coffee about 15 minutes before your attempt. Although during the push-up workouts in phase 1 to 4 above you used flawless, slow, deliberate form, you can throw that out the window now.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone
it's all about
and share
speed.
it with your friends.
The faster you can do the push-ups,
and for more
the more you will
curiosity
be able
about the
to do.
human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.
Don't go quite as far down as you normally would.